Hi everyone, my name is Christy, and oh my gosh, am I excited to share with you this unboxing. So today I'm going to be unboxing my first ever Vellabox monthly subscription. So this is actually a candle subscription box. I have just become obsessed with monthly subscription boxes. I know I've already been obsessed for a while because I've been getting Ipsy and BoxyCharm. I recently started getting BarkBox. I get FabFitFun. So it already kind of sounds like I'm obsessed with subscriptions, but lately it's gone to the next level. Like all I want to watch on YouTube are those unboxing channels, which if you have any recommendations, let me know in the comments down below because I'm always looking for new unboxing channels to follow. Who knows, maybe my channel will turn into an unboxing channel. I don't know, I'm just obsessed with them. So when Vellabox said that they would send me a box to show on my channel, I was so over the moon excited. First of all, I love candles. And then secondly, a candle subscription service, like that is just the most perfect, amazing thing. Especially gift giving season. I think a candle subscription service is one of the best gifts that I could receive, that I could give. And actually, speaking of giving, I have a really great discount code. You know what? I'm gonna get into this before I start babbling any longer. And I love that it's a small box, you know, less waste. Here's Dexter, he's very interested. This actually was delivered in my mailbox, not even my doorstep. And then inside of the compact box is this compact box here. So this is a nice little gift box if you were to gift this to someone. But so what I'm going to show you is one of the 3 levels of subscription that you can choose from. So here is how it looks. Oh, it's so cute. If you go onto the Vellabox Instagram, oh my gosh, it is beautiful. It's just so aesthetically pleasing. And I feel like this box is the same way. So this says, I love the smell of possibility in the morning. Ooh, and it has pictures of beautiful coffees. Oh, is that like a cheesecake? I love cheesecake. I don't know if you could hear it or see my little puppy Dexter. I think he just did a little sneeze. He must already be smelling them. Oh. Okay, so this is so cute that it comes in these little bags. So in the version that I'm showing you right here, it comes with 2 candles, and this is a $30 a month subscription, but I have a coupon code. It's Christy5 off, which I'll have on the screen. I'll have it in the description down below, and that gets you 50% off your first subscription box. So this would only be $15. And for $30 a month, you're getting an 8-ounce candle, and then I'll also show you, you also get a 4-ounce candle and a surprise gift. So I'll get to those next. But oh my gosh, first of all, this candle is, just like I was saying, so aesthetically pleasing. And it's the Book and Candle Company Coffee House Fresh Ground Coffee, Hazelnut and Sweet Cream, made from 100% soy wax, hand poured in Michigan. Oh my gosh, I open it right away and it smells exactly like the most beautiful. Dex, what do you think? Oh, he's trying to lick it. It smells like the most beautiful, cozy coffee shop. Oh, I have not been in a coffee shop in so long, but this candle transports me there. Oh my gosh. I just like automatically was closing my eyes and just enjoying the scent, and I'm actually like starting to drool right now. Like it is so beautiful, and if you love coffee, you will love this scent. And you know what's so funny? So I got this box today, and then out of nowhere my boyfriend texted me and he goes, I just had a random thought, but I love candles, so candles are a good gift for me. No lie, I bring this candle subscription box into my house and he texted me that. Like, it's just the craziest coincidence, although I do kind of feel like my boyfriend and I have this kind of telepathic connection a lot of times. Like I get coincidence-like moments with him a lot. But then he also said that the candle that I'd had burning in my house before was one of his favorite scents, and that was like a cappuccino scent or something. So this is seriously so perfect for him. And he is someone that is really hard to get gifts for. And this candle subscription is seriously the perfect gift for him. I'm like mind blown. All right, so that is the 8-ounce candle. So if you just want to get the 8-ounce candle, that is $20 a month plus $3 shipping, but you still get a surprise gift. If you do the $30 a month box, you get the 8-ounce candle and a 4-ounce candle and a surprise gift with free shipping. But so now let me show you the 4-ounce candle. Ooh, so this is from that same brand, Bookend Candle Company, which I believe the brands of the candles changes each month, which is really cool. So you're always gonna get different looking candles, you're supporting different brands. So this is the Cozy Sweater scent. It says cinnamon bark, roasted chestnuts, and vanilla. Oh, I'm so excited. Stop it. I love how potent these are. That's really important to me with my candles. Oh my gosh, it smells very cinnamony, but not the type of cinnamon that's kind of like that burning, intense cinnamon. It's like the most pleasant version of cinnamon I've ever smelled, but it really does remind me a lot of Christmas. And it reminds me, it doesn't say pine on here, but maybe it's just the vibes. I'm like getting kind of like a Christmas tree scent to it as well. Oh my gosh, I love this. I didn't think I could like a candle scent more than I liked that first one I smelled. I smell this one and it's just so holiday that it is just getting me in the mood for a holiday. I'm gonna have to light this right away because I really haven't been doing anything that's really getting me in the holiday spirit yet. Like I don't really decorate my house. I want to get more decorations, but I just don't really have any yet. I just bought my house a year ago, which it's been a year. I should have Christmas decorations, but I don't. But this is going to just set that mood for me. Oh, it is amazing. I love it. I feel like this coffee house one is kind of more like a year round. It's not exactly Christmassy. This one to me is just Christmas winter vibes, which I love. So yes, this is the 4-ounce candle. The 4-ounce candles are supposed to burn for about 25 hours, which to me sounds like a long time. The 8-ounce candles are supposed to burn for about 50 hours. So then you get both of them. There's 75 hours of burning right there. But say you just want the 4-ounce candle each month. That is only $10 a month. You still get a surprise gift each month. However, there is $3 shipping. So if you use my code Christy5 off, that will get you 50% off your first box of whichever tier you choose. So if you do the $10 a month, you get $5 off. If you choose to do the $20 a month for the 8-ounce candle, then you're only paying $10. If you choose to get both for $30 a month, then it would just cost you $15 for your first month. You're probably like, okay, Christy, you did not have to break down the math for me, but I just really wanted to make sure I explained all 3 levels of subscription that you can do. I know that I'm a big candle burner, so I would definitely want to get 2 candles. And I feel like for $30 and then you get the free shipping when you spend $30, I feel like that's worth it. That's what I would get James, my boyfriend, as a gift. And then, speaking of gifts, let's see what the surprise gift is. Oh, and then here's a card that just tells you more information about the candle scents and then the company that the candles come from. So here, my surprise gift is from the brand Suk, S-U-K-K. Ooh, it's a reusable silicone drinking straw. Oh my gosh, how perfect to go along with that kind of coffee theme, because now, and as you saw, it was like folded up. I can have a perfect travel straw, so if I do someday go into a coffee shop again, I don't have to use the plastic straws, which I live in Massachusetts, and I know in some states they've gotten rid of plastic straws. In Massachusetts, they're still everywhere. So this is really great to have. I really encourage everyone to have reusable straws and use reusable straws. And I love that this is just so compact. Like, I don't think I have any that can bend like this. So this is perfect to throw into my pocket, my purse, whatever it may be. I also see a few other discount codes that I can share with you. You can use the code Vellabox for 10% off bookendcandleco.com, which is the brand of these candles this month. And you can use VXS20 for 20% off the sookstraws.com. So I always love when you also get discount codes with your subscription box, because that's some added value right there. And maybe if you're watching this, you may decide that you just want to order some candles from Bookend Candle Company, and there's 10% off your purchase, which I think would make an amazing gift. I highly recommend both of these scents. Coffee House for someone that loves coffee year round. The Cozy Sweater if you really want a holiday scented candle. Get this for someone or get it for yourself. But oh my gosh, I am just so excited about this subscription. I'll have all of the information in the description down below. I'll have a link if you want to sign up. I'll have my discount code and explain the discounts that you get from it. And thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know in the comments down below if you have gotten a Vellabox subscription before and what your thoughts are on it. Let me know what your favorite candle scents are. Gosh, I have so many things I want to ask you for in the comments down below. I also just want you to let me know if there's any subscription boxes that you love or that you'd want to see me unbox on my channel. Let me know, because unboxing, especially something like this with products that I love so much, is just so much fun for me. It energizes me, it brings me so much joy, so I just want to do more and more of these. So, like I said, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.